Hey everybody, it's Jeremy from HTL. Hey, listen, this little video is only a short, tiny bit of the full video that is available over on my Patreon page. Links will be in the description. If you guys feel like you want to support this and have me do more content like this, consider joining Patreon. It really helps out what I'm able to do for you guys, and I take special requests over there. So I'm gonna just take bits and parts of this video that I put on Patreon. I'll show you what you're gonna get when you get over there. Like I said, if you want the full video, consider joining us on Patreon. Appreciate it. Here it is. Thank you. Enjoy. Anywho's, and by the way, and so forth and whatnot. So let's jump into this. And so here you can see I just randomly went and found a 250 with a, and then this happened to have a navy on it with the rope around it I was going to put in anyway. So I thought this would be a good one to use. So what we got to do now is we're going to ungroup this and we're going to delete little bits and parts here as we go. Oh, right there. See, there's the first node editing. Okay. So we're going to take this, and I'm going to hit Control C. I'm going to hit Control Z, and I'm going to hit Control V down here and paste it in. And, you know, honestly, these are probably going to move around a little bit when I put that other ship in, but here we go, close enough. Now, when I take this, there, the old star is gone. I can remove, oops, come on, why does it do that double tap? My mouse is so sensitive. I have a sensitive mouse. Now, here's the node editing part that we got to deal with. So I'm going to take this. Now, I want this line to be perfect. So instead of taking this and breaking it apart and trying to add lines in and make it easy, I'm going to take this and I'm going to come over here to my offset tool, and I'm going to go 2. I'm going to go 1.5, and if you can zoom in right here, it's close enough. So I'm going to hit the OK button. Now I'm going to node edit that. I'm going to delete that line. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to hit the letter B. Break that. Click off the screen. Make sure it's good. I'm going to hit the D on this one. And then I'm going to okay. Now I'm going to take up here, I'm going to hit the I, and I'm going to insert one just off. I'm going to insert one right here. Now I'm going to click on this line. I'm going to hit the B to break that. And then I'm going to, how does that work? Yeah, and I'm going to delete this one here. And now I'm going to delete this one and hook that there. That is going to be just fine and dandy. Now I'm going to go get this and that. I'm going to delete that one. Oh, I need to do... Okay, looks like I got to fix this one here. So this is where I'm not going to do that again. This is where I'm going to break this. Hit the B. Come over here, click off of it so it is not highlighted. Hit the delete on that one, and I'm going to come up here like this. I'm going to join those. And now I'm going to come here And I'm going to grab my wand and I'm just going to, yeah, that's going to be fine. Guys, I was working on this yesterday and looking into something for this video. And I already had a game plan in on how I was going to be doing this. And then now I remember what I was going to do. So let me go back here and show you. These stripes right here, this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here, they're going to go all the way up. And this one here, right here. Because when I put this in, I'm going to Boolean it in and make it look like this. So, I'm going to do this. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that. Oh, nope, I can't. I need that. Okay, so now we're going to go back into the node editing part. Hit this. Now, this one, if you just hit the letter E, and while you're hovering over that, that'll extend it until it hits that down there. And then I'm going to delete that one. But I don't like that, so I'm going to delete that one. This one here. Let's delete this one. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to hover over that, hit the E. Okay. Okay, so we're going to delete this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and we're going to hit the letter E, extend that one up. Okay. And now we're going to hover over this right here. Stop moving. Hit the letter I. Hit the break. And delete. And now we're just going to move that, pop that in. So there's that stripe done at the top. Now the same thing down here. We're going to drop it so I can get the node in. We're going to drop it in an I. Move it up into there. Click off so it doesn't highlight it. And I'm going to hit the D for delete. And now I'm going to do this. And there's that stripe. Okay, now. Okay, well, here's another spot where I had, I took some looking at it and I had to figure out what I wanted to do with it. So, let me go back here and show you. Just like over here where I had to do the Boolean around this one to finish that off. We have a spot here where this came down around, but it stops right here. And I need to continue it to here. So when I hit my E button on this here, it went all the way down. So I then did the Boolean. So I'm going to grab this, hold shift, slide it straight up, intersect it. Now I'm going to do that. We'll slide that down. Let's see, hit the E. Now we're going to hit the delete button. And we're just going to match that up. We'll bring that up just a scoosh. Come on. There we go, right there. All right, so now, yeah, this one's going to be going to hold down, hold shift, run that up. We're going to click off that so it unhighlights it. Hit the delete button. Hit the delete button. Nope, undo. Hit the delete button back here on this side. And we'll swing that in. Now we'll go back out here. I'm going to collect this, delete that. I'll collect that little section and delete that. Now that's cleaned up. It looks good. And there's my stripe. All right, cool. We got all the stripes done. All right, just wanted to show you Another little deal I had to go. Now we're gonna bring this 250 in. Yes. Okay, now let's go up here. This ship in the water, I don't need the American flag. Is that all? Yeah, let me see what this looks like putting in here. Let's take all these out. Let's take those out. Take this out. Group that back together. Pull that in here. I think I like this one. Let's look at this here. Yeah. Let's look at this here. Oh. Okay, I don't like that. I don't want that whole thing engraved. So let's do this. Okay, now, I thought I was done with this thing. All right, hold on. Now we're gonna do this. That's the way we don't like it anymore. Hold on. All right, well, there you go. If you guys want to see how it ends and how I fixed it, and honestly, I got it really, really good. But even after I ended the Patreon video, I did a little bit more work to it. And I think I got it where I want it now. But it is what it is. Everybody has a piece of artwork that they're never done with. I still don't know if I'm done with this one yet or not. But the full video is on Patreon. Go check it out. Thank you for your support. You guys have a beautiful day.